Ko one kainga toku maunga, ko te wairahi te awa, ko Whakapaumahara te marae, ko Ngāti Wai te iwi. I'm Jason, this is our native nursery. We've been at this mahi for about 8 months now. We started with a lot of weed eradication, a lot of work to be done, you know. Seed collecting, planting, can't do it all in one day. We've done all right, yeah. This is our poo. It's a contemporary poo. Like this water never used to flow, because there's that much silt and rubbish in the creek. Just nature, I think, doing its thing now. Bring back the birds, bring back the life, the fish, the whole environment. It's just what it needs. It's what it needs, some life, eh? We eco-source our own seeds once a year from here. Don't have to pay for them, eh? It's all free. We're finding out a lot of things about our plants, and there's so much to find out, you know. As long as nothing dies on my clock, it's all right, you know. I know it's something I've never done, so it's quite exciting. Yeah, I am proud of being working for this Te Warahi nursery and being a part of Jobs for Nature and full of tummies of everyone, eh? You know, yeah. Te kai ora, eh? Yeah, we all got to get back to this food. Involve the whole community and the whānau and everyone, you know, and this is what the future of what we're up to is about, eh? You know, and gratifying, eh? You know, it's gratifying, yeah.